first I have created a database, name is Cbse IP. And then ma'am, in that database I have created a table where there are columns, 4 columns, student ID, name, gender and marks. And then ma'am, I have inserted 10 values inside the student table. And ma'am, then I have showed the whole table with all the datas. And then ma'am, I have used all the queries as in the question paper. The first is the delete from the student where the ID is 2020. And ma'am, then I have deleted from the table where marks is smaller than 22. And then ma'am, I have showed the whole table again. And ma'am, then I have showed the students whose marks are more than 45. And then ma'am, I have showed all the details of the only girls. And then ma'am, I have showed minimum marks, maximum marks, sum of the marks, and average marks from the student. And then ma'am, I have showed the names where the names start from the K. And then I have showed how many data are there in the table. And then ma'am, I have showed the whole table in the ascending order of their marks. And then ma'am, I have used group by in counting the details with respect to gender. And ma'am, then I have selected the students where marks are greater than 20, number of students where marks are greater than 20, and then 3 queries of power and round.
Outputs.
And this is the output, ma'am.
Your database, table, display, average marks, count star, then count star, boys 6, girls 12, count star 8 records, pow, round, and round, yes. Correct. Can you explain me the last two, how you got this answer, round one?
Ma'am, first one is rounding the number 258.7592 up to 2 decimal places. So up to 7, 5, and after 5, as there is 9, which is greater than 4, so 1 will be added to 5, and that is why the number is showing 258.76.
Yes.
Similarly, ma'am, in the second case, as there is 6 after 3, means after 2 decimal places, so 1 will be added to 3, and that is why 258.74.
Good, very good. And if it is -2, then what will be the answer in the last one?
In the last one, it will show 200.
It is round. For
300. 300.
Yes, very good. Clear? So in round, it will simply round it down. Excellent.
Good morning, ma'am. Here I have created a database named Cbse IP, and then I have created a table named student, in which it's containing student ID, student name, gender and marks. And I have inserted 6 values, and then I have showed the table. Then I have deleted the student whose student ID is equal to 2002. Then I have deleted the students whose marks are less than 22.
Show the output. Okay, select query and after deleting the records. Okay,
Yes.
good.